For e-commerce businesses, it is essential to connect your online store with your customers. To optimize communication as much as possible, it is best to integrate your catalog into WhatsApp. Shopify and Sirena have teamed up to improve your sales. With Sirena, you can send automated messages by WhatsApp and centralize your entire work team in a single line. And from now on, you can also integrate your business in Shopify. I'll let you know how it works. When a customer asks for your information about a product on WhatsApp, now you can access your Shopify catalog directly from the conversation, sending price and additional information. Also, when they buy from your online store, you can automate personalized confirmation and follow-up WhatsApp messages. In this way, you can optimize your sales process, sending catalogs with just one click and automating messages each time a sale is closed.